1. Departure from Cochin to Parambikulam. Upon your arrival at Cochin, our representative will receive you and drive your destination. On the way, you can enjoy the scenic beauty of the Western Ghats and the countryside of Kerala. After reaching Parambikulam, check into your resort. Day 2. Wildlife Safari and Nature Walk. Early morning. Get ready for an exciting wildlife safari inside the Parambikulam Tiger Reserve. This reserve is home to a large number of endangered species, including tigers, elephants, leopards, sloth bears, gaurs, and many more. The safari will be conducted in a jeep and will take you through the dense forest, grasslands, and water bodies of the reserve. After the safari, return to the resort for breakfast. After breakfast, you can go for a nature walk in the surrounding forests and explore the rich flora and fauna of the region. You can also visit the Parambikulam Dam, which is located within the reserve and is a popular picnic spot. Day 3. Trekking and bamboo rafting. After breakfast, embark on a trekking expedition to the hilltops of Parambikulam, which offers stunning panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The trek will take you through lush green forests, waterfalls, and streams. In the afternoon, you can enjoy bamboo. The above tour packages is customized according to your preferences and requirements. Princey Travels offers various tour packages to different destinations within India and abroad.